Hello guys, my name is Ashley Gamer. Today we're going to be playing Zombie Apocalypse. Please let me get this tomato. No, I got the tomato. Tomato, why? Yeah. I remember a tomato in my mouth. No! I found iPhone 7. Nope, that's tablet. I'm commercial. Now I'm about to get that back. That iPhone 7? Oh, it was a tablet. Was a tablet. No! I'm about to go get a spear and stab everybody. What a spear. Nope, I ain't helping you. I see a bum inside there and no bum. No, they locked me back in the cell jail. Alright, go to sleep. Oh no. Oh heck no. Get out of my thing. Oh heck no. Man, get off my thing. Oh, get out of my place. Don't try to eat me. Psh. Nope. Come on. I'm gonna need you back there. Just try to have perfect sleep. But your ugly little butt is coming there. Man, don't try to eat me. Try to eat me. You disgusting little teeth try to eat me. You don't know where the teeth been. Try to eat somebody else. I'm not anybody get eaten today. Nope. Get away from me, you ugly little fat thing. You try to eat me? Come on, I'm about to break off your leg. Try to eat my leg? I'll eat your leg. I ain't afraid to eat your leg. I don't know you got no legs. Try to eat me. I'm back up. You think I'm out and get back up? Go eat the lower half of your body. I just did that. Psh, psh, psh. How like that? Come on. I'm gonna break off that head. You know I'll break off all your arms. I got blood all over the sword. I ain't afraid to use it, you hobo. Man, you see I'm trying to beat this man up. This ain't man, this is a zombie. Psh, psh. Why you don't even have no leg? I'm too busy to try to beat this man down. You see what you made me did to my sword? I know you ain't ready. Don't try me, zombie. You ain't gonna try to eat nobody. Try to go to sleep, but you're a good little self. You see, you got blood all over my log. Don't try to eat me. Oh, I ain't done. You think I'm done with your little bald self? Somebody call police on you. Yeah, man, Giffin's killing him. I'm too lazy. I need to get something to eat. Come on, where's the food? Please give me some food, people. No, had to eat some food before this happened. You eating this man? Ow. I'm about to go back. Bye, sir. Bye, ugly Michael Jackson. You ain't even Michael Jackson. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Come on, give me this. Ooh. Ow. That ain't gonna splash me. People, watch out where you're going before I get the bazooka and blow y'all up. Man, move out before I shine. Eat your skin off. When I turn into a zombie. You little hobo people. Man. I'm back. I need some chicken. Chicken. Oh yeah. No. This toilet paper. Yeah. Did it go on the ground? I think I just ate it already. Oh, you see how disgusting this floor is? I had to survive to eat that. I'm done. Oh, that looks like Frankenstein. Ugly kind. I'm not mean that good kind. Tiger, don't try and mess with me. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm thinking about crash this car. Oh yeah. Oh, I think I scoot this. Oh, I see some Dr. Pepper. Ain't bad. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. Ain't bad. Free stuff. I just need. No. I need to get my Dr. Cola. No, you ain't about to drive my car with your clothes. It's disgusting. Fat hands. Let me go see what's there go the bedroom. I'm inside here, so I had to go to the subway. This is a very short cut. Then go to a car park. I don't have time for y'all people. You think I care about your life? I only care about my life. Every man or one. No, not the Dr. Pepper. You love Dr. Pepper? Yeah. Come on. No. Witch, get away, you a little white witch. I ain't trying to drive you home. I'm sorry, sir. Woman, move. Next thing you better get is a breakout looking like hell. No. Let's go. Hey, no. Nope. Oh, yeah. I'm home with Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper!
Run.
Dr. Pepper! Dr. Pepper. If I was a zombie, I'd be eating your face off. Man, don't make me. I will uppercut ya. Wait a minute. Let me just get a little bit of sleep, yeah. Thank you for watching. Oh, heck no, I'm back up. I'm going, yuck. I need to get something warm. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a good time. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. I need to get out here before that. Bye.